Let's kill, boys! So plan is the main hour, the first hour probably GER40, after that swing trading crypto in the meantime. Time for some trading. Let me make this smaller though, it's quite big. Try and hold this probably, but I'm not gonna wait a little bit because the open is still going, so it's always a little bit more quicker. So let's see. Gonna wait for them to see if they hold 282. If they don't hold 822, we're gonna go down a little bit. They don't have to hold it, but it will lay down the foundation of what we're gonna do today. Like, you need to have a little bit of progression anyway before you need to trade. Want to wait one more minute? They kind of need to get above this and then preferably above that. So soon there might be a long position, but I don't think I'll take it. Right, if they get above this, but this is already the PT and I don't think it's worth it in points. It's only 7 points, so yeah. Warm up, let's see what they want to lose, what they want to achieve, that kind of thing. So there's a possible long right now, but I'm not gonna take it. Gonna wait and see what they want to do. We're nearing higher time frame resistance anyway. This is what you want to hold, but let me see the 4 hour, when does it close? Still 1 hour. 1 hour is already looking wonky. Can definitely come back all the way here again, so let's patiently see. Wait for the trend. Easiest thing to do, guys, is trade with the trend, right? So don't worry too much. This is actually wrong. This should actually be. We'll love to see them go up to 288 and then reshort right here. If I don't get it, it's okay as well. And that's what a lot of people need to learn as well. Like, don't take every trade you see. Wait for it. Chillax a bit. Give yourself some breathing. In the end, you'll get a good trade. If you then risk decently, you can make all the money you want in one trade or 2 trades. Good morning, Kiwi. So I would love to see a spike back up to here, personally. Now, we gotta be careful at that short. We'll not limit it. As you guys know, I'm a smasher. I don't really like to limit that much. Okay, there we go. Let's see how the retest will be. Will they reject it or will they not reject it? It's a golden question. We have time, by the way. Let's see, 2 minutes left, so we'll decide in a minute. It looks like they want to achieve for now, so that's good. Might give us a smash soon as well, though. Let's see how this one closes up. This is going to be the important one. Good progression on 15 minutes. Kind of want to close above there, in my opinion. If they don't close above this, it's going to be nice, though. Let's see. 20 seconds left. Looking for them to test 304 now. So I said PT zone right there. Do I immediately want to short it? No. No point in stopping a train. Forgot to check 15. 15 was nice. Something juicy for you guys. What did we not have yet? We did not have anything to lose, right? So you need to make a new move to the high. So what they did is progress in the 3 minute, made a move to the high. That's what I forgot in my analysis. Would have been perfect here to long it, in my opinion. And now we just have to wait for more progression, eh? This was already tested, so it can actually go a little bit higher. There we go. So here, let's see and wait if they can reverse 3 minutes. Sorry, the 1 minute. And then after that, we'll see if they go down. First 30 minutes might be a little bit up. If they do want to reverse it, it's probably going to be the last 30 minutes of the 1 hour candle. But for now, looks very good. NQ as well, by the way. Looking for it to go all the way back to here. So look for NQ to reach 2.2. Not going to say it's going to be the end of the week, but it's possible to get at the end of the week to go there. Now what you're seeing here is just PTs being taken, right? So don't worry too much about shorting, longing these sequences. No trades yet on the GER40, just very aggressively longing. GER40 already seeing some resistance, nope. So straight going there. Could have maybe attempted to scalp it long a little bit, but here, possible long coming up again here if they hold it. Nah, the longs are actually easy, but you need to smash into them. So we got it, but we need to be a little bit careful with this one because I can actually decide to move it down because the PT is already right here. Because the resistance line here is quite big as well, but you know, sometimes resistances are meant to be broken. So now these can fail. 3 minute has no progression yet, so it could be that they want to transform this into 3 minute territory. They need to achieve 1618 soon. FTMO gapped quite hard. Let's see. There's the PT. Wait, let me check. Oh, never mind. It's a 3-minute PT. Might get stopped because they're trying to distribute on a 3-minute right now. Yeah, they keep on restricting the 3-minute. Let's see, because let's see if they pump, but they're restricting right here. So level being restricted. You see? If this went, we probably would be up 1k. Because I had to take an early PT here, but it is what it is. So yeah, and some people might say, "Wow, Skoller, you take a very early PT," and yeah, it was a very early PT. Like technically, you know, in terms of my brackets, the PT wasn't even 1 hour, but I already immediately when we start moving up, move my stop loss down here. So then the risk is a lot lower. Normally I was looking for at least, so it was 1.5 hour. So now they might finally go to the zone I was aiming earlier. Yeah, we're doing good actually. So we had one GER40 trade. We only made 100 bucks on it, and I'm gonna wait a little bit for them to come down to here. Let's see if they now finally pump. Okay, so we're up 400 now. Took a PT already. Next PT is gonna be there. So yeah, let's see how high we go here. We're finally catching a little bit of trend. So 300 realized, and then unrealized 300 as well. So I was actually on GER40. Let me maybe explain the trade. I was happy they came back down. I wanted to take a swing trade on it anyway, so I just smashed in. Then we started pumping. I just de-risked it there immediately. Let's see if they find support now and go up, or if they come back lower. If they do go lower, we can go quite deep actually. So I'm gonna wait a little bit now. I'm looking for them to then come back down, lose it, and come all the way here. Looks like I got stopped out on GER40. Break even, so the P&L is still the same. Looking for this one to come. Oh damn, this is low. All the way there, or here, we can see. I did manage to get that top side PT quite nicely though. But that was just luck. Sometimes you need to have luck, you know. But yeah. GER40 getting into a range as well. The only thing I could have done better here was I noticed they were distributing the 0618 there. So probably could have looked for a short there, but wouldn't have expected them to go down here. Plus the long here was a nice attempt. Could have, would have, should have, doesn't matter. Made the wrong guess there, that's it. Yeah, in my opinion, it looks more that they will not hold a 4, but we'll hold this. So let's see. Personally, I don't expect them to hold here. Still need a lot more progression, so let's wait a bit. Okay, they're trying on GER40, but I'm still gonna wait a bit. You will not need the 1 minute here to reverse trend. You need higher time frames, so we have time. Give me a second. I like GER40 more, so I'm gonna quickly. Oh, that's sad. I saw a nice short, but I'm gonna wait a bit now. Okay, so took a short. De-risking. Give me a second. Volatility has gone down quite a bit. I do want them to lose the 4 here. Let me check 15. This short's smaller risk, by the way. Okay, let's see if they continue to the level we wanted them to. Now this is probably a little bit deep, but let's see if they push it through. Low risk because it was a very hard scalp, so only 119, sorry. Might get stopped, break even. It's okay. They're trying to save the 15. See? Summary of the day. We're up around 450 on GER40. Not as much as I wanted. Maybe should have risked more on this trade, but trying to not be as on these aggressive trades, I like to lower my risk a bit. Volatility wasn't as big either. Now for GER40, if they continue to go down, which I hope they will, I'm looking for that. I'll take the PT a little bit higher up. Let me take half out already. Got 25% left in this trade. I'm gonna really be patient on this one for longs. So GER40 hit my PT. Woo! I'm done. GG boys. Took it a little bit before, as I said. It's actually taken at 272.1. So here. Damn, GER40, man. 2 minutes left to save it. It's actually a little bit higher. Happy we finally had our runner here. Now, the runner actually came from a trade I didn't expect to run, but trading with the trend, that's always the most important thing. Let's see if they save it. 12 seconds left. Hourly close is coming up soon, so they might actually start shifting into long algorithms now. First, want to see a few things before I take a relong. Just so you guys know, I'll be lowering my risk because I hit my PT on GER40. So rather than risking 500 per trade, I'll be risking only 200. GER40 is dying out, man. I don't know what to... Yeah, they're just rejecting it, aren't they? So these are trying to hold 1 hour. These are just saying, nah. But here, staying out of it until progression. So there's no progression yet on this, so Pep is still the only thing to trade. Let's get this. Let's get it. Okay, let's focus. Yeah, a little bit too quick here for me. Maybe you caught it, Marlon. We were looking for this range since yesterday, so now I finally touched it, but chilling a little bit right now, waiting for more progression coming in. I don't want to be too aggressive. I feel a little bit tired, so I'm really gonna train my patience today. That's all I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, very small move to the low. Let's see, come on, try it. I don't really want to long into it right now, so I'm gonna wait for more short progression. Oh, what I wanted to say is I'm gonna look quite aggressive for shorts right now on GER40. So looking for a new high and then short into it. Missed one long though. Could have smashed here. My bad. But what's the volatility like right now on it? Okay. No. Good volatility right now. Push it. Let's see if they hold another higher low. Just took my first trade of the day. Alright, took a quick PT because, well, they need to just make a new low here. So, there we go. Currently only up 64. I lowered my risk because it's a very aggressive trade. Smashed into it here. Immediate reaction. Looking for them to go lower now. Stop loss already at break even, so let's just chill. From here on out, in my opinion, they can go quite a bit lower, so let's see. So, yeah. So this arrow, they didn't do it because of the 3-minute. So now where are we looking for? We're looking for here. But I kind of hope they'll go there. Might take a small other PT here. This was the play. Move my stop loss to break even once they reach this low already. So the R on my first PT was not even 1 hour, but was worth to take it because yeah, second PT was right here. Now, can they come back for it? They can definitely come back for it. I was just expecting a lot of aggression, so if they go down now, yeah, it's just then they can do it. So short it. Where's the 1 minute? Short it here into PT, into PT. All right. So still looking for this personally. Now, will they reach it? We don't know. If they reach it, we'll take a short. Are they gonna do low range distribution here? Please don't. 3 minutes coming in 1 minute. So now they need to kind of achieve this one. Let me make it a yellow line. Want them to achieve this on 3 minutes. Not to move to the low, just that level. Ah, no. No. You know, you have two options, right? This one or that one. Do you want to do this one? Just means how hard people want to be short in this range. It is what it is. It would be, again, very painful for the longs if they just grind all the way to here, but let's see. Let's stick to our plan and let's wait for this one. So we're only up 100 right now because I took a short. Where's the short? I removed it. I took a short right here in the breakdown. I was hoping for a little bit more of a blood, well, a little bit more blood, but they didn't provide me with it, so. Yeah, okay, I'm a little bit too late. Sorry, guys. A little bit too late. It was a good short here, but I was a little bit late. Very algorithmic trade here. Very simple, but very algorithmic. Alright, I'll still wait. Missed it, so I'm gonna wait. It's a little bit of an efficient situation right now on GER40 because I want to print 15-minute move to the high, but the issue as well, look at the 1 hours, man. Like, they have to be very precise here. If I was a market maker, I had to, like, make sure it closed within this little box. So let's see if they do it. Now, the other option is they just dump it and then print, like, close it below and then later on print it. So let's see. Kind of want to wait 5 minutes before I take a trade. Okay, they're doing this, eh? Close below. There is the hour to close. Was a worthy smash. 50-minute trade. Okay, so we're gonna trend down now. Missed the initiation there, sadly enough. Purely 50-minute algorithmic move to the downside. My bad for not catching it. Sorry for that, guys. The only thing I still don't like is the 3-minute, 50-minute. 50-minute did the move. Took a little bit of a stupid trade here. I'll talk about that in a second. Was, in my opinion, way too aggressive, but I still want to see how it plays out. Looking for the yellow line to be touched again. If they don't, I'll be lucky. Like, I know this is a lucky trade then. It was a little bit too soon. So I shorted on the red candle close right here. And as I said, honestly, should not have taken that. I consider it a bad trade, so my bad there. The only thing to say that it would be a good trade is because I just want to be in a short right here. So right now P&L is a little bit higher up, but I still expect him to maybe hold it and go up. So let's see. All right. So P&L right now, again, lower risk though. Lower risk on this trade. Near low, need to take a PT here. There we go. So as you will see on the trade itself, I took a very early PT because I was like, oh shit, what are you doing, Skoller? You should not be in this. With my stop loss immediately at the high. Then the risk was only like $10 or something. Now it's basically again purely because of the higher time frame area that I wanted to short this. So let's see if they still try it and hold it. It's definitely possible. But yeah. A little bit sad I'm trading with lower risk right now, but it is what it is. Taking very aggressive shorts anyway. Next PT area. Let's go, boys! Woo! Man, I said this. They can do it very ugly right now and wreck a lot of longs by just going here. Because people are still buying into it because I wanted to go there, what I was expecting as well. But sometimes they just do it very, very ugly, man. So we'll see. Now, as I said before, the trade here wasn't that good of a trade. But hey, in the end. Like, sometimes you can take a bad trade that works out as well. You just need to acknowledge that it is a bad trade, okay, lads? Hence I took the early PT here already. I was like, okay, no, I don't want to fully risk this trade. Now, what am I expecting on GER40? I think I'm gonna hold on to this trade for a long time because I'm actually expecting them to return all the way to the mean. If they do a continuation like yesterday, that's kind of what I'm expecting. GER40 is looking quite bad, so yeah, we chilling. Oh, yeah, I forgot to put my limit PT there, so we got another PT. Now we're done. Now it's running. Woo! Let's go! Beautiful. I took a PT down here though. Was a good area. It's actually looking great. Nah, there's a lot of new things that we knew this was the short. Like, was teaching, I think we found something 2 weeks ago. And I've been grinding that out lately and it made the price action concepts even a lot better. And then you can combine it with the sequences and it's just creme de la creme. And give me a second. There might be a hedge up on... Alright, PT zone. I'd rather have them lose it though. GER40 is having a little bit of a buyback. Was expected at the 4618 right here, right? It's to be expected. 4618, come back down. PT, this is just PT taking. Wait, they did lose it. Oh, okay. This is getting interesting. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. I want them to build up more liquidity here. I said I cannot see the CVD on GER40, so it's a little bit more blind trading than crypto. Oh. If you don't know your higher time frame bias, why would you short here? Why would you long there, etc.? I was only shorting in this range. Didn't want to long there because of my higher time frame bias, etc., etc. Right? So I always tell people first learn your higher time frame, learn your state higher time frame bias, then come in with a bias, and then learn for that specific bias which setups you can use. Now this takes some time, of course, but that's why I live trade for you guys to just give the examples. I think every trade I took today I posted in the group as well. So. Let's see how they react there. Okay, the last 2 minutes of the 1 hour close coming in, so now they all want to save it and see. Could have incorporated my... Let me see. They're trying to hold tennis skate there. We'll see. Don't overthink. If they close above here, it's going to be nicer, though. For longs again, though. So let's see. Yeah, GER40 definitely printed a long-ish. It's going to be a little bit complicated. I don't think I'll trade... Oh, let me save you guys from the alert. Not going to trade too much on GER40 anymore. We kind of hit our target already anyway. Okay, so here, this is getting interesting though. We're still in the short because we, like the final PT for the short is gonna be 18,100-ish. Now, they can start accumulating here, so let's see if they do that. Oh, never mind. Nah, it's gonna fall through. Sorry guys. Maybe we'll get a reshort, so I'm gonna stock GER40 again now. I'm hoping GER40 will go there, and then we'll, let's see if they go up. If they don't, well, so be it. GER40 printing the short. My alert, by the way, guys. Oh, well. Okay, they're not gonna give me the short, so I think I'm gonna call it a day, boys. I'm gonna enjoy the weather a little bit, and then later on trading queue. Oh. No, I'm not gonna trade it anymore. Like, they're printing... They might print a new short soon, but I'm not gonna do it. For GER40, we had this trade, and then we had another trade from here all the way down there. So we're up in total on GER40... We didn't reach our goal. It's only 550, but I'm okay with 550 on the day. So okay, boys, that's gonna be everything for me. Enjoy your day. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'll stream. Maybe not. We'll see.